Hello Leeton, Luke Santolin here from Leeton Real Estate. Excited to offer you one of the most incredible residential listings that we've ever worked on. In a street already filled with beautiful Leeton homes, somehow this amazing property finds a way to stand out from the rest. It's won industry awards for its energy efficiency and its immaculate and unique design. With upgrades at every turn, we can't wait to show you through. Let's go and check out this one together. Well, if that video tour doesn't get your heart racing, then nothing will. Yes, you can try and find a block. Yes, you can try and build something similar, but you won't be able to do it in this location and at this price fully established. For more information on this incredibly unique opportunity, contact me, Luke Santolin, Leeton Real Estate.